Floodgate Medical, we are the premier medical device recruiting firm. We've been doing it for 20 years. We really help medical device manufacturers find the talent they need to be able to deliver to the market the most innovative products. They're actually saving lives every day. We are industry experts. This is our space. We believe in game-changing technology because in today's day and age, you need to be able to reach people in those micro moments. So we've invested in unique technologies to be able to grab people quickly, to make it easier for hiring managers to learn about the talent, and for our candidates to be able to learn about the great companies they offer. We take the time to put people first. For us, we're in a people business, and we measure that every day, and we have a net promoter score of 9.1, which shows that we're making an impact on prioritizing people. The cost of a bad hire is $250,000 and can crush cultures. And in medical device, life-saving products aren't getting there, and that's a cost too high for us to accept. So we've invested in the people, in the technology, and the processes to find those really unique passive candidates. Those kind of candidates that people can't find on their own, the ones that stick and stay, the ones that actually change cultures for companies.